western Monmouth. In southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, lower Bucks, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester and western Montgomery. From late tonight through late Friday night locations, a portion of eastern Pennsylvania, most of New Jersey, all of Delaware and Maryland's eastern shore. Periods of heavy rain will occur late tonight and Friday night. General rainfall 1.5 to 3 inches is expected in the wash area with isolated amounts near 5 inches possible. If amounts exceed 3 inches, the likelihood of river flooding increases. The risk of flash flooding is greater within the urban areas of the Metro Interstate 95 corridor. There appears to be two primary times when excessive short-term rainfall could occur: early Friday morning and then late Friday afternoon and early Friday night, when thunderstorms may also occur. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Friday morning through Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flood watch for portions of central and southeastern New York, including the following counties: Delaware and Sullivan. From Friday morning through Saturday morning, rain, heavy at times, will fall from this afternoon through Saturday. Total rainfall amounts are expected to be 1 to 3 inches with localized higher amounts. Starting Friday, this rain could cause localized street and poor drainage flooding as well as headwater river flooding. A flood watch means there is the potential for flooding on small streams, creeks, poor drainage, urban and low-lying areas based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living, working, or driving in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey. Until 9:30 p.m. and 3:31 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of heavy rainfall moving into the region. Rainfall amounts across this area have generally been between 1.5 and 2.5 inches on average. Additional rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour are possible. This heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small streams and on roadways. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. County, Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Putnam and Westchester. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood warning for Putnam County in southeast New York, Westchester County in southeast New York, Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:13 p.m. an area of moderate rainfall was moving north through the area around 35 miles per hour. The Sawmill River Parkway northbound between the Taconic State Parkway and Grand Street and southbound Sawmill River Parkway between Manville Road and the Taconic State Parkway is experiencing flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Moderate rain is expected to continue this evening with an additional 1 to 3 inches expected. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow and flash flooding is not expected. However, All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flood warning means flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, New London County in southern Connecticut, until 8:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a large area of rainfall over Long Island was lifting north around 35 miles per hour. This rain is expected to move into southern Connecticut around 6 p.m. with rainfall rates generally between 1.5 and 2.5 inches per hour. Doppler radar has indicated a few discrete areas of 4-inch per hour rainfall rates. This is expected to cause flash flooding of roads, especially in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. For the following counties in New The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for waters from Montauk Point, New York to Sandy Hook, New Jersey from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout 20 nautical miles southeast of buoy 44025, moving north at 35 knots. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following marine location: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout 12 nautical miles south of Fire Island Inlet, moving northeast at 35 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Fire Island Inlet around 6:45 p.m., Great South Bay around 7 p.m. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. For the following Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Lavalette, Manasquan Inlet, Sandy Hook Reef, Seabright, Seagirt Reef, Seaside Park, Shark River Reef and Ship Bottom until 8 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Garden State South Reef, moving north at 40 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 5 nautical miles east of Barnegat Light by 6:45 p.m., 3 nautical miles east of Barnegat Light Reef by 6:50 p.m., 7 nautical miles east of Seaside Park and 8 nautical miles east of Lavalette by 7 p.m., 7 nautical miles east of Axel Carlson Reef by 7:15 p.m., 7 nautical miles east of Seagirt Reef by 7:20 p.m., 4 nautical miles west of Shark River Reef by 7:25 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood warning for small streams in Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Union County in northeast New Jersey, Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, until 12:45 a.m. At 6:41 p.m., several small streams across northeast New Jersey were approaching action stage. Additional moderate to heavy rainfall lifting northward from New Jersey, Maryland, and Delaware will move across the area this evening and is expected to cause many small streams to exceed bank full. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flood warning means flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. Flash flood watch remains. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Suffolk County in southeast New York until 9:45 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of very heavy rainfall with rainfall rates between 2 and 4 inches per hour moving onto the South Fork of Long Island. This heavy rain will cause flooding of roads, especially in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Suffolk County, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay, waters from Montauk Point, New York to Sandy Hook, New Jersey from 20 to 40 nautical miles, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 4 nautical miles south of entrance to New York Harbor to 13 nautical miles west of Buoy 44025, moving northeast at 40 knots. The thunderstorms will be near East Bay, Jones Inlet, Middle Bay around 8:05 p.m., South Oyster Bay around 8:10 p.m., Fire Island Inlet around 8:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York; Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles; Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles; and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Peconic and Gardiner's Bays, Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York; Long Island Sound east of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a mariner reported an area of strong winds over 35 knots over eastern portions of the Long Island Sound. In addition, buoys and nearshore observations indicate increasing winds across this area ahead of an approaching warm front. Mariners can expect gusty winds up to 40 knots and increasing waves. Boaters, especially those under sail, should seek safe harbor immediately until the high winds subside. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; and Peconic and Gardiner's Bays, New York. For the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood warning for small streams in New London County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, until 12:30 a.m. At 8:29 p.m. areas of moderate to locally heavy rain continued to fall across southern Connecticut. Total rainfall amounts between 1/1/2 and 2/1/2 inches have fallen. Additional heavy rain approaching from Long Island will move across the area this evening and is expected to cause flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Small streams are also expected to exceed bank full. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office. For the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren, The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for Warren County in northwest New Jersey, Sussex County in northwest New Jersey, eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 2:45 a.m. Saturday at 8:44 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving into the warned area. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible through the overnight. This is on top of the 1 to 2 and 1/2 inches which already fell earlier today. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Driving into flood waters could put your life at risk and cost you thousands of dollars in vehicle repairs. Flood waters may be deeper than you think. Turn around and find an alternate route. For the following counties, Somerset County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills from late tonight to Sunday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 6.2 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early tomorrow and continue to rise to near 11.3 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Sunday early afternoon. Impact at 10.0 feet. The Denver Canal is flooded by the Millstone River. For the following counties, Somerset County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the North Branch Raritan River at Raritan from late tonight to Saturday afternoon, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 8.0 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 10.5 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow morning. Impact at 10.0 feet. Flooding along Old York Road and in North Branch Village. For the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Raritan River at Manville from late tonight to Saturday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 10.6 feet. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early tomorrow and continue to rise to near 15.3 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 15.0 feet. Dukes Parkway begins to flood in Manville. For the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Raritan River at Bound Brook from late tonight to Saturday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 24.7 feet. Flood stage is 28.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early tomorrow and continue continue to rise to near 29.1 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 28.0 feet. Flood stage with minor flooding in the area.
Here's the tide.